Okay, we're going to do the discharge now. We're going to need a different V0. It's 3.03 volts, but now we're going to start at 2.66 unless it goes up to 2.67, and I'll do it right at 1655, and we'll see the discharge rate of this capacitor resistor setup. And now we're discharging. What I think we started at 2.66. After 10 seconds, we're at 1.13. After 20 seconds, 0.52. Thirty seconds, 0.25. 40 seconds, 0.13. 50 seconds, 0.07. 60 seconds, 0.04. 70 seconds, 0.02. And if it drops, it is dropping. At 80 seconds, it's 0.01. I'll let it go to 90 seconds. I don't expect it to change from 0.01. 90 is 0.01. So we'll stop it there.